Today I will show you why do we need to use the node-cron npm package for our nodejs applications. npm init. Yes, our new application is created now, and it also creates the package.json file automatically, and for executing our application I will install yeah, actually this is a express application. I use express web framework, and also I install all of them at once, express, node-cron, yeah. Here the main file is index.js, the entry point, so I have to create index.js, yes, and I installed node-cron, so I can write node index.js, yes. Index.js, this is the endpoint, so I will write I import express here, and also I implement the app, then I need to define the port, the application running port. I will choose 3000, and then I will write the root endpoint for array function here, and it will send some string as the response. Hello world, yes. But I have not created the server. Now I create the server to listen the port. Yes, this is the port, and I write the callback function. Yeah, this is the callback function. I write a console log here with backticks, so it's running. So it's running on port, the port value. Yes, I'm okay with this. I have to save this npm start. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's running. Yeah, it's working. Here I'll show you what is the node-cron npm package. We usually use cron jobs in servers, but here we can use some cron jobs inside the application. We have to install cron and we can schedule the job. Now I will get another terminal and I install node-cron. Yeah, here I define my cron job. So before it I have to import cron. Yes, node-cron, sorry. So yeah, I will define cron and schedule our job here. The first parameter is the scheduling, and this is the callback. Inside the callback we have to write here the convention. I can show you the convention here. There are 5 asterisks, so in this asterisk, this one says the minute, about minute, the task runs for every minute. So here there are 6 asterisks, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the first one is second one is minute, third one is hour, and then there's the day of month. We can say it's Tuesday, Thursday, anything, and then this is the month. We can say January, February, anything. So day of the week, the which date, it's we can say the 0th, first day, second day, likewise. Day of week, we can say it is 0 to 7, and also we can use names. I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I will do this for every 5 seconds. If I delete this asterisk with 5 and there are only 5 asterisks, then I say 5, it means for every 5 minutes. Okay, I will undo this. Now this executes for every 5 seconds. I just write a simple console log. Okay, now at the first time I run the program, sorry, the cron job is working for every 5 seconds. Okay, I can make it for every second. Okay, now it runs for every second. We can write any function here to be executed. Okay, I will show you how we can deal with the function. So I will create a new module, user.js. Yeah, here. Now I can write a function here. No parameters. This is the function. I can export this function. Okay, I will save it, and from index.js I will import it. Yes, you see, I import it, and now the function is here. Yes, it executes the function, the user's function in user.js module for every second. So you can write any function, any complex function to work with this scenario. Okay, here why do we use node-cron? Actually, the cron jobs are default in servers like Linux servers. In servers we do some scheduled events, scheduled maintenance for in servers. We do automated backing up, and also log file rotations and clearing some temporary files, and running some system updates. So we have to automate those kind of things actually. So that is the purpose to use the cron jobs. And also there should be some data processing, automated data processing without calling any endpoint or without any request response cycle. So we have to do this, and also we have to monitor some system tasks and processes. So that purpose also we have to use this, and also we have to write some scripts like bash scripts in server, and also we can automate that script as our requirement. And also why do we do use the node-cron is inside the node application we can use cron. So it will make it easy to work this API as a platform independent application, and also it is flexible, and it integrated within the Node.js ecosystem. So that it's some convenience to use the node-cron, but there are some cases to not to recommend node-cron, because sometimes there may be some distributed systems, because when we comes to dockerization and Kubernetes container management, so there may be distributed systems, we use some replicas. So in that case we cannot use node-cron inside the Node.js application. It may affect the performance of the application when it comes to some complex functions to run inside the cron, and also sometimes there may be a lot of functions, some asynchronous functions, so it may reduce the performance of the application. There may be some problems within the integration